Happy Thanksgiving! Of course, I'm not recording this on Thanksgiving, it's the day before, but I thought I'd give an update. There's a lot that's been done out here. Wow! Once this thing got framed up, it went fast. Or it seems like things are really going fast. The roof is now totally completed, front and back. And off this little ledge right here, down there, it is done. The brick got delivered today. They're supposed to call me. Like I said, I'm never in the know. But this is not going to be the final. Actually, that looks pretty good in the camera. Looking at it outside of the camera, it looks really rough and just yucky, but I'm sure once it gets put on and they acid wash it, it'll look really good. Let's walk up here. This here's the siding. It arrived today. The guy might come out here Friday, probably going to be Monday before he can start putting that on. So that there will be starting really soon. Everybody recognizes that guy. Turn over here. That's Dave Lennox. At least I think that's his name. So if I have that box here, that means I have stuff like this here. HVAC pipe, fittings, insulation. Yes, most of the HVAC is in. We can start up right here. It's all in, except for this room over here. It's not put in yet. The returns are not in yet, but the main trunk line to all the other rooms is in and completed. All the electric's in. The fixtures, you know, where the lights are going to hang at, those are all in. All the switch and plug in stuff is in. It's coming along pretty good. Now we're just waiting on quotes for the drywall. That seems a little scary, but I don't know, have to wait. Everything else has been pretty good. The heat and air and roofing was good. The siding and insulation was a great price. The brick was a great price. Putting the brick in, labor on that, all that stuff's good. Just waiting for the sheet rockers to come in. So this here is the update. I do have some pictures of deer. I'm going to go put some more corn out here. So I'll throw some more corn. They're going somewhere else. I need to bring them back here. I want them on my property. Just a few minutes. Because last night there wasn't any deer out here. Well, hey everybody, thanks for watching. I know this one here is kind of short too. I don't want to come out here and do any video while the people are out here working, putting stuff on. I don't know if they actually want to be in a video online, so I'm kind of respecting their privacy. I'm just coming in afterwards, trying to just get, you know, some things video and everything. It is a lot quieter doing it this way. You know, you're not out here hearing hammers and nail guns and everything. So hey everybody, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe. Hey, leave a comment if you want, you know. I like to interact with people. Kind of helps the channel grow just a little bit maybe, hopefully. One of these days. Hey, thanks for watching everybody. See ya!